Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Study with Science. So in the previous video we have discussed about some of the words that can be used instead of very in a daily language. So in this video I am coming up with another such words which can be replaced and substituted in the place of very to express our feelings in a daily language. So let's get started discussing about such type of words which can be replaced and substituted in the place of very. So the first one was very bright. Very bright. The lamps in the house are very bright. The lamps in the house are very bright. So we can replace the word very bright with the word luminous. Luminous. The lamps in the house are luminous. The lamps in the house are luminous. So the next one was very cold. Very cold. Winter nights are very cold in Araku. Winter nights are very cold in Araku. So we can replace the word very cold with the word freezing. Winter nights are freezing in Araku. Winter nights are freezing in Araku. Very competitive. Very competitive. School gives very competitive behavior for the students. School gives very competitive behavior for the students. We can replace the word very competitive with the word cutthroat. Cutthroat. We can replace the word with the word called cutthroat. The school gives cutthroat behavior for the students. The school gives the cutthroat behavior for the students. Very creative. Very creative. She is being very creative since years. She is being very creative since years. We can replace the word very creative with the word called innovative. She is being innovative since years. She is being innovative since years. Very confused. Very confused. He stared at her with a very confused expression. He stared at her with a very confused expression. We can replace the word very confused with the word called perplexed. He stared at her in a perplexed expression. He stared at her in a perplexed expression. So the next one is very cute. Very cute. Girls in general are very cute. Girls in general are very cute. We can replace this word with the word called adorable. Girls in general are adorable. Girls in general are adorable. So the next one is very dangerous. Very dangerous. As the journey is very dangerous, it is mandatory to bring a first aid kit. As the journey is very dangerous, it is mandatory to bring a first aid kit. We can replace the word very dangerous with a word called perilous. Perilous. As the journey is perilous, it is mandatory to bring a first aid kit. As the journey is perilous, it is mandatory to bring a first aid kit. So the next one was very depressed. Very depressed. She is being very depressed since her husband passed away. She is being very depressed since her husband passed away. So we can replace the word very depressed with the word called despondent. She is being despondent since her husband passed away. She is being despondent since her husband passed away. Very deep. Very deep. The speaker's words which are very deep made me think about my future. The speaker's words which are very deep made me think about my future. We can replace the word very deep with the word called profound. Profound. The speaker's profound words made me think about my future. The speaker's profound words made me think about my future. So the next one was very dull. very dull. The job is very dull. We can replace this word with tedious. It is a tedious job. It is a tedious job. Next one was very fancy. Very fancy. Each and every room in a 5-star hotel is filled with very fancy furnishings. Each and every room in a 5-star hotel is filled with very fancy furnishings. We can replace this word with a word called lavish. Lavish. Each and every room in a 5-star hotel is filled with lavish furnishings. Each and every room in a 5-star hotel is filled with lavish furnishings. So the next one was very friendly. Very friendly. We have a very friendly companionship. We have a very friendly companionship. We can replace the word very friendly with a word called amiable. We have an amiable companionship. We have an amiable companionship. Very funny. Very funny. Nowadays we have a lots of TV shows which are very funny. Nowadays we have a lots of TV shows which are very funny. We can replace this word with a word called hilarious. Nowadays the TV shows are being hilarious. Nowadays the TV shows are being hilarious. Next one was very happy. Very happy. She was very happy about her new job. She was very happy about her new job. We can replace this word with a word called ecstatic. Ecstatic. She was ecstatic about her new job. She was ecstatic about her new job. Very hungry. Very hungry. I have missed the lunch and I am very hungry. I have missed my lunch and I am hungry. And I am very hungry. So we can replace the word very hungry with a word called starving. Starving. I'm starving as I missed my lunch. I'm starving as I missed my lunch. Next one is very important. Very important. His character is very important for the entire film. His character is very important for the entire film. We can replace the word very important with a word called crucial. He played a crucial role in the end film. He played a crucial role in the film. Next one is very mean. Very mean. The manager is very mean on her employees sometimes. The manager is very mean on her employees sometimes. So we can replace the word very mean with a word called cruel. The manager is cruel on her employees sometimes. The manager is cruel on her employees sometimes. Very raining or raining heavily. For both of these words we can use this synonym. So if you want to say this, it is very raining outside and umbrella couldn't help this time. It is raining heavily at this point of time and umbrella couldn't help it. So we can replace these two words with the word called pouring. Pouring. It's pouring outside and umbrella couldn't help at this time. It is pouring outside and umbrella couldn't help at this time. So the next one was very perfect. Very perfect. Arjit Singh had a beautiful voice as every song sounds very perfect. Arjit Singh had a beautiful voice and every song sounds very perfect. So we can replace the word very perfect with a word called flawless. Flawless. Arjit Singh had a beautiful voice and every song sounds flawless. Arjit Singh had a very beautiful voice and every song sounds flawless. So these are some of the words that I wanted to share with you in this video in order to substitute the word very whenever you're feeling to use it. So if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any queries, ask any questions or answer any questions, Please comment in the comment section and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in the next video, we'll come up with another interesting content. Until then, bye bye.